In this video, I will be showing you how to create a document in Gamma AI instead of a presentation. I'll start by clicking the Create New AI button right here on my dashboard. Next, I'll select the Generate option to start building from a single prompt. Since I want a document, I'll make sure to click the Document tab at the top instead of the default presentation mode. Now, I'll type in my prompt. I'm asking for a comprehensive guide on how generative AI works in 2026. I'll also adjust the length of the document by clicking the Cards menu and selecting 5 cards to keep it focused. Once everything looks good, I click Generate Outline and watch as the AI quickly creates a structured plan for the content. I'll scroll down to customize the final look. I'll keep the text amount set to concise, and then I'll browse through the themes. I think the blues theme gives it a really professional feel, so I'll select that. Now I click Generate, and the AI begins writing the full document in real time. You can see it building out the chapters, starting with the generative AI renaissance and moving into the core mechanics of how these models learn. It even includes detailed sections on neural networks and the training phase. It's a great vertical layout that feels much more like a report than a slide deck. Once the generation is finished, I'll head up to the Share button at the top right. I'll move over to the Export tab and select Export to PDF to save a copy. After the processing is complete, the PDF downloads and I can open it to see the final polished result. And there you have it. That's the complete process of creating a document in Gamma AI instead of a presentation.